You see, my for Vietnam Airlines, Boeing 767-300ER. I make credit to the Vietnam Airlines in PC. Do he's actually now you avoid for Vietnam Airlines is Boeing 767-300ER. ER. It's a real plane. So has a perfect plane. It so has a Boeing 767. For us, Boeing 707 has a BC-25 is in a PT FS in a plagiarism, something like that. Okay. It's so mine. What's actually is?
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Actually is can do this to down. Is the television is the Vietnam Airlines TV Samsung TV in the Vietnam Airlines. It all has a great also at this. The crazy is for now. I still call to the PA. Is
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing for landing. Please return to your seats, fasten your seatbelt, place your seat back in the table of height, and stow any remaining items.
passenger is an NPC as a funny is this. I just refer to this. 400 passenger. Highways were using the Boeing 727. Oh my head. Oh, freak. This your target. Catch this. Okay. ISO hazard for the Vietnam Airlines Boeing 767. It still has his okay. Oh. There is so plane is start landing.